Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. If you're new here, we do EDC and knife review videos, and we try to have a lot of fun with it. So today we have something very different. In front of me, you'll see a package that came in the mail, and it came from Zach Stuff, which is a great YouTube channel, knife channel, part of the knife tube world. And I discovered him through Big Red EDC, which is another great channel. But last week he had a prize giveaway. It was the numbers game. I picked the correct number. Within like 5 days, this showed up. So we're going to open it up here and see exactly what's in there. So thank you, Zach. Appreciate it. So we'll move this out of the way first. And we are going to use our O-Knife utility blade. Donut Shop. Or Desert Warrior, I should say. Great cutter. Great tool, by the way. But let's see what's inside. Let's see what we have. So we're not going to get to the... Oh, it's wrapped with multiple things. Let's see. We have... Yep. First thing we have is the actual winning ticket. And I predicted I guessed 349. That was that. So that's great. Move that out of the way. And then we'll get our utility knife out again. And we'll cut this open. I want to cut it open. Oh, maybe I don't have to. Maybe no, it's sealed. I'm gonna have to cut it. So let's just cut it carefully. I want to cut what's inside. So I already did. Wonderful. But let's see what we got. All right. Let's start out with first. We've got a swag bag. And let's take out and see what exactly is in the swag bag. Of course, this is going to give me trouble opening. All right, there we go. So I see we have a bunch of patches and stickers, and we have a log jotter notebook, which these are excellent. By the way, I absolutely love this. You know, it's got your graph paper style paper in there, and this is just really nice one, made in the USA. Really like that. Looks like an old VHS tape. Fantastic. Next, we have a DSKFS patch, morale patch, which I already have one and I love it. We've got a Zach Stuff Ranger Eye. We've got a Zach Stuff Benchmade logo on leather. I think this was made by Bluminati Ninja. Then we have more Zach Stuff stickers, which are great. We've got a holographic DS KFS sticker. Then we have a smaller sticker. Then we have here another Zach's Stuff sticker, which you can never have enough stickers, trust me. An OCD for an EDC sticker, another great channel. Splitting Slices, another one. Actually, this one is a magnet. That's awesome. It's a refrigerator magnet. Love it. We've got looks like a sticker from Maui, Hawaii. A C. Risner Cutlery traditional pocket knife sticker. A Splitting Slices sticker. Crow's Blade and Woodworks. Good people there. Smoky Mountain Knife Works sticker in the Beetlejuice. My Buddy Weld and Carry sticker from his channel. Other Than Intended Purpose sticker from Other Than Intended Purpose channel. We have a Pocket Razors EDC Adventure sticker. Benchmade sticker. Another Benchmade sticker. We have a Big Red EDC sticker here. His Saturday Night Live show, which is fantastic. I highly recommend jumping in on that if you haven't. And a Glow Rhino sticker. So that was in the swag bag. Let's see what's here. We have oh, excellent. We have a Slick 'em All oiler. This is great. Waterproof. I had been looking, this is made by OCD for EDC, and I've been looking into purchasing this, so now I don't have to because I want it. I appreciate that. That's excellent. Really happy with that. Let's see what else we have. We've got another swag bag. Wow. This one's heavy. I see, whoops, Sorry about hitting the camera, folks. We've got some more stuff in here. Let's see what we got. Looks like we got more patches. First of all, what do we have? Oh, we have a Wii Civivi Challenge coin for their 10th anniversary. That's great. I actually really love that. We've got the Oregon Truck and Auto Authority Department of Adventure patch. I love that because I'm a big Sasquatch guy. Traditional pocket knives from C. Risner Cutlery. One of their patches. I really like that as well. Glow Rhino, and if you guys know my videos for now, you see that I carry Glow Rhino stuff regularly, including 2 of their knives that I love. So this is really great. I'm really happy with that. A Hogue Knives patch, which you guys know I'm a big fan of the Deca. They were in my top American-made production knife video. We've got a OCD for EDC patch and a Saturday Knife Live Ranger Eye. Love that. This is really happy with what I've gotten so far. But this is the one you've all been waiting for. This was the knife that I won in the giveaway. And this is the Civivi Voltiac. Or, yeah, Voltiac. Let's open this up. Yeah, there we go. Pull out the patch, or the pouch, not the patch. Again, it's a Civivi. Comes in that great Civivi pouch. And then, you know, Civivi, you're always going to get your knife sticker. You've got your cleaning cloth, your microfiber, little Civivi round sticker. It's not really a sticker, but and their manual. And of course, you got the nice Civivi pouch. Let's push that off to the side. Let's get to what we want everybody's here to see. The knife that I won in the giveaway. Just look at that. That is beautiful. That, again, that is the Civivi Voltiac. It's a discontinued knife now, but they're still available in some places I've seen. Already, look at that. Beautiful jimping on the flipper. Wow, that deploys beautifully. And that sound was fantastic. Looks like aluminum and G10 handles. I think it's a 1428 blade steel. And that is just a beautiful knife. Deep carry clip. It is reversible. That's fantastic. This is just a nice knife. Really fits my hand really well. Beautiful jimping right here. I really love this. So I want to say thank you to Zach Stuff. This is so appreciative. I'm really happy. You know, I was excited when I won the game, and then you got that out within like a day. It got to my house very quickly from across the country, and I appreciate it so much. You don't know. So folks, if you get a chance, go to Zach Stuff, subscribe to his channel, watch his lives, especially his Sunday afternoon lives. A lot of fun. And that's the knife we got, and that's the haul. So if you enjoy this, you could win too on some of these channels. I'm going to be having a giveaway very soon. I know I keep saying it, but now that we kind of worked out the bugs in my live stream, that's going to be coming up. I'm going to be posting a video on how you can win, so look out for that. And you'll have a chance to win a knife in my giveaway and some other stuff as well. So if you want to be part of the fun, watch the other channels, participate, watch my channel. I would really love it if you guys could like and subscribe. You know, it would just be so appreciated. And like I said, I appreciate Zach and his channel, and really, this is really great, and I love it. And you know, being part of the knife tube world has just been a lot of fun so far. I've only been involved in about, it's going on 4 months now, and I feel like everybody's taken me in and made me, you know, we've become friends very quickly, and that's awesome. So, all right, folks, that's the summary of what we got. So I hope you enjoyed it. And until we meet again, keep your blade sharp.